Hi everybody, Mary Mercurio here, and for Module 4, Lesson 2, Analyzing Data, I wanted to cover this program, this platform that I used when I was working in special education, and personally my own children use it at their school too, which is called Prodigy Math. The article is called How to Use Prodigy Data to Guide Daily Instruction. And Prodigy is, it's really great. It's an engaging, it's games that relate to math and all sorts of math processes. And on their website, they really break down data both individually and as a whole group. That's really useful to look at so you can track student progress by grade level, domain content, and see how your whole class is working together when it comes to the sort of math processes that you're working on in the classroom. And you can see here well below grade level, below, at or above, and not yet started. So you can see, for example, on measurement, this is how many were below, for here at and above, you have about half your class. So this would be month to month comparison, students in each category breakdown. There's placement tests that show this nice little bubble chart on how many students are. It's kind of the same material, but in a different graph. And this will list each student, each category, breakdown of data across domains, number of students at grade level. This one is nice because you can look and see, students and their specific goals and how much time they spent, how many questions they answered, what percentage they were able to get correct. You can use these for your assignment and plans and see where your students or your children are performing for the activities that you're given to them, question by question breakdown, summary of class performance and average scores, student usage. This is great for, if you're using this, maybe this is, I know my one child, they use this as one of their days of homework, so they could compare home and school and how many minutes they were on each day. And it gives individual and class data on student usage, the type of topics that you're covering, whether they mastered them or they're, just starting them. Weekly activity, up to date on their progress and their skills, how it relates to the curriculum. So you get a lot of data from math, and it's gaming, so the kids are really engaged in this, and you can really check on their IEP goals, comprehension, daily instruction, small group intervention, the depth and breadth of knowledge that they're learning, and you can really assess their skills. You can go in, you can say, oh, I noticed that half the class isn't mastering this skill, and perform another diagnostic, set a different type of assignment, change their grade level, focus on specific processes that you want them to learn. And sometimes the lessons go backwards, so it's a great way to have different types of repetition. And Prodigy's great. It's free. It's a great game. Kids really love it, and it does give you a lot of data that you can use for math skills. So highly recommend this site. It really does cover a lot of things that you would need to know as an educator or a parent. Thanks for watching.